Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5. Recapitulation of chapter 10 tenths and hundredths for PT2 examination. Students, what you're going to learn from this video? In a very short, I'm going to explain you some of the conceptual based questions of this chapter. In a very short calculative method, I'm going to do the recapitulation of the whole chapter in this video. So what we are waiting for? Let's begin.
Okay students, so we begin with write the following as decimals. So students, 1/10 is written how? Okay, now as you see, it is tenth. Okay, so before we start, let me explain you that as we have our units, let me begin with 100, then we have tens, then we have ones, and after that we have a decimal. Okay, after decimal there is the position of tenth, and after tenth the position comes as hundredth. Okay students, so hundreds are having 2 zeros, as you remember. Tens are having 1 0 plus ones are having none, right? That is direct a number, a digit, right? After that we have a decimal. After decimal, if tenths are there, that means it is 1 upon tenth. It is written like this, tenth, that means the number which is there, that is 0.1, like that. If it is having 0 here, that means the number is only 1. And for hundredths, there are 1 upon hundredths, right? That means after decimal, there will be second position of hundredth. Okay students? So for 1/10, we are going to write them as 1 and when it is mentioned as tenth, you will write 1 upon 10, right? Now if it is 0 down, okay, if it is 0 down and you want to remove this 0, what you need? You need a decimal. And where you are going to put the decimal? The decimal will come at the left side. Okay, that means when division is there, this is 1, right? The 10 we have removed from below. So for 1 0, we are going to put the numbers, decimal will come here. Here where is the decimal? The decimal is here. But as you are going to remove this 10, the decimal will move towards the left side 1 position. So your answer is like this, point will come here, and before the point the position should be covered by 0. So your answer is 0.1. Now the next one, 45 hundredths. So let us write 45, and hundredths means it is upon 100. So where is the decimal here in the 45 number written? It is always at the end. Now if you want to remove these 2 zeros from down, this decimal will have to move 2 positions, right? And 2 position means 1 position it will fly over 5 and then it will fly over 4. So your answer is 45 and the decimal has come here before 4. Okay, as you can see that before this decimal the place should not be vacant. ये खाली नहीं रहनी चाहिए. हम इसे 0 से भर देते हैं. हमारा आंसर है 0.45. Okay students, now the next one, 5.32. 5. So let's write 5. Now this is very easy to write down. Whatever is written, you are going to write that only. See, 5, so written 5. Point, so 1 decimal, that means 3, so you will write 3. So you will write 2. So your answer is ready. 5.32. Now the next one. 60 point. So write down 60 point. So put the decimal. 0, 0, 1. So after decimal it is 0, 0, 1. And this is your answer. The next one is 5 tenths and 7 hundredths. That means 5 tenths. That means 5 upon 10 is there. And 7 upon 100 is there. That means the number is 5. So if you want to remove this 0, where the point will come? The point will come as 0.5. And for 7, 2 zeros are there. But we have only one number 7. So put 1 0 ahead. Now it became 2 numbers. Now before these 2 numbers there is decimal. So our answer is we have to add 0.5 and 0.07. One thing you have to remember, that decimal should be placed just below the decimals. Okay, and then you may carry out addition, subtraction. Okay, now here nothing is there. So what we are going to put? We are going to put 0. So 0 plus 7 gives you 7. 5 plus 0 will give you 5. Decimal, we are going to place decimal here. And 0. So answer is 0.57. Understood, student? Now let us move on to the next question. This is solve the following when the first one is 2.53 multiply by 10. Now in a shortcut manner, if I want to explain you, I will just tell you then when it is multiplication, जब भी आप टेंस से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, देखो ये चैप्टर पूरा टेंस और 100 से है, यानी हर जगह आपको या तो 10 या 100 डिवाइड के लिए होंगे या 10 या 100 मल्टीप्लाई के लिए होंगे. तो जब आप मल्टीपल कर रहे हो और 0 है तो आपका जो डेसिमल है वो राइट साइड मूव करेगा. कहाँ मूव करेगा? राइट साइड. कितने प्लेस? जितना 0 होगा उतना प्लेस. उसी तरह 100 है तो आपका आपका डेसिमल मूव करेगा. अब कितने जीरोस हैं यहाँ 100 में? 2 जीरोस हैं. साइन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन की, यानी डेसिमल जो है वो राइट साइड मूव होने वाला है. कितने प्लेस? 2 प्लेस. सो ये रहा डेसिमल. अब इसको 2 प्लेस राइट साइड जाने दो. आपका राइट हैंड ये रहा तो आप राइट साइड जाने दीजिए. 1 2. ओके. अगर आप इसको मल्टीपल करके लिखना चाहते हैं तो भी कीजिए, बट आई जस्ट एडवाइस यू, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवाइस कर रही हूं मैं आप लोगों से, डेट स्टूडेंट्स जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के टेंस और हंड्रेड्स के मैं आपको शॉर्टकट सिखा रही हूं, ये शॉर्टकट आपको आगे हायर क्लासेस में बहुत काम लगेंगे. आप बहुत फटाफट कैलकुलेशन कर पाओगे. आप अभी से प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको आगे वाले स्टैंडर्ड्स में बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. ओके, सो देखिए हम लिखते हैं हमारा 2.53 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ना, 1 तो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है यानी राइट साइड मूव होगा. 0 कितने हैं? 1. तो देखिए हमारा ये डेसिमल जो है वो 1 प्लेस मूव होगा राइट साइड. कहाँ आ जाएगा? 2 5 के बाजू में आ जाएगा. आंसर आएगा 25.3. दिस इज शॉर्टकट. अब लॉन्ग कट कैसे कर सकते हो? एक्चुअली आप इसका अगर मल्टीप्लीकेशन करोगे सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम आंसर. देखिए मैं आपको रफ वर्क में 2.53 का 10 से मल्टीपल करके बताती हूँ. 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इज 0. 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इज 0 एंड 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज 0. अभी फिलहाल आप इस पॉइंट की तरफ बिल्कुल ध्यान मत दीजिए. ओके, जस्ट लीव इट. नाउ फॉर वंस, सॉरी आप टेंस के लिए जा रहे हैं, सो प्लीज पुट 1 0 डाउन. नाउ 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 विल गिव यू 3. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 विल गिव यू 5. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 विल गिव यू 2. अब हम इसको ऐड कर लेते हैं. 0 प्लस 0 0, 0 प्लस 3 3, 3 + 5, 5 and 2. अब डेसिमल की बारी. यहां पर तो डेसिमल था नहीं. सी यहां पर डेसिमल है 1 2 प्लेस पर डेसिमल है ना, यानी 2 पोजीशन के बाद डेसिमल है. हमें आंसर में भी 2 पोजीशन के बाद डेसिमल डालना है, यानी डेसिमल यहां आएगा. तो आपको दिख रहा है आपका आंसर क्या आया? 25.3. देखिए शॉर्टकट में आ गया था हमारा आंसर. Getting? So this is how you're going to get multiplication done and then you're going to get answer. Okay, so this is a lengthy method, but if you want to do shortcut with tens and hundreds, the things I'm telling you, please keep in mind. Okay, now look at this number. This is 32 divide by 10. अब multiple 10 में आपका decimal 1 place right side move होता है, तो डिवीजन करते वक्त आपका डेसिमल 1 प्लेस लेफ्ट मूव करेगा. तो चलो लिखते हैं 32/10. यहां पर डेसिमल कहाँ है? कहीं नहीं है, मतलब लास्ट में है, एंड में होगा. अब ये कहाँ मूव करेगा? लेफ्ट साइड 1 प्लेस. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 3.2. दिस विल बी द आंसर. Now look at this 46/100. So here 4 6 पॉइंट है और नीचे 100 है, डिवीजन में है, इसीलिए डेसिमल 1 2 zeros हैं, so 2 प्लेस मूव करेगा. 1 2 किस तरफ? लेफ्ट साइड. आंसर क्या आएगा? 4 6 के पहले डेसिमल आ गया. Now we cannot leave the place empty. हम ये खाली जगह नहीं रख सकते. Put 1 0. So answer is 0.46. Okay students, now look at this. 0.76 multiply by 100. When it is multiplied, the decimal is going to move towards the right side. How many places? 2 zeros. So 2 places. 1 2. We came towards the right side. Okay, so answer is 76 point. Now, if you want to show 0 here, you can, or you may write the answer like this. No problem. It is one and the same. Okay, students. Now, let us see this one. This is written with symbolical division sign, and here above it was given with the upon sign. Upon sign is also division sign. And this kind of sign is also a division sign. Okay, students. So let us write down 73.25 divided by 100. So division 100. So where the decimal will move towards the left side. How many places? 1 2. So let us move 2 places left side. 1 2. We came towards the left side, and the answer is 7325, and the decimal came here. Correct? We cannot leave the place like this empty. So answer is 0.735. I hope student you understood well how to do it. Now let us move on to the one new question. So the new question is, you have to use the correct symbol, that is sign, less than, equal or greater than sign in the following ones. So here the decimal is given and we have to check that which of this number before the box and after the box, we have to compare that which of the number is greater. Now look at here. Before decimal 6, here also before decimal 6. That means this is the position of ones and this is the position of ones. Ones position is having a same number. So 6 is equal to 6. Now look at the next one. This is the position of 10th. And this is also the position of 10th. Now at the position of 10th, here we have 4 and here we have 3. So which one is greater? If 4 is greater, then this whole number becomes greater and we are going to put the sign of greater. Understood, students? Now look at the next one. Here it is 2.87. But here it is not 2.87 directly. Here two numbers are there. we have to add them. Let us add first 2.32, and as I told you that decimal should come below decimal, तो इसका decimal आप पहले place करें और decimal के बाद क्या है 5 तो आप इसके नीचे बिल्कुल लिखें 5 और फिर 0 यहाँ पर आए. आपका डेसिमल के वक्त एक ही बात का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आना चाहिए, फिर चाहे नंबर उसके नीचे कैसे भी आए, दैट इज ओके. ओके, डेसिमल के नीचे प्रॉपरली डेसिमल होना चाहिए. नाउ ऐड देम. 5 + 2 7, 5 + 3 8. Decimal will have the same place decimal, and 2 + 0 is 2. Could you see the answer? It is 2.87. Look at here, 2.87. Both the answers are same. That means after addition of these two numbers, you got the answer equal. So both the things are equal, and we are going to put the sign of equal. Now let us move on to the next question. Question is, write the decimal number of the following. Now we have to write the decimal form of these. So let us write down. See, this is 200 plus 0 plus 2. See, this is 1/10. How you are going to write 1/10? You have to write them in decimal. So point is here. You want to remove below 10. So this point will come here. That means it is 0.1. And here it will be, point is here, 2 zeros. So 2 places moving. It will be 0.03. Okay, now let us add them. See, this is 200. Decimal is not there. At the end, we have the decimals. Now, at the end, if you have the decimals, you have to keep this decimal symbol in mind, that every number should be below, the decimal should come below the decimal. See, 2 point. So, write down 2 point. 0.1. So, 0 will be here, point will be here, and 1 will be here. Then 0.03. So 0.03. Let the empty spaces be there. No problem. You have to keep one thing very clear, that decimal should come below the decimal. Now add. See, this is 3 all vacant. Only 3 is there. Definitely 3 will come. Here 1 plus 0. So 1 will come. Here all the decimals. So decimal will come. Or 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, add them, the answer will be only 2. 0 here, so will come 0, this 0 will directly come down, and this 2 also will directly come down. So after addition, what answer you got? You got 202.13. So this is the answer. Understood, student? Very good. Now let us move on to the next question. That is 50 plus 6 plus 0/10 plus 0/100. That means 50 plus 6 plus 0/10, that is 0.0. That is only one decimal digit, and 0.00. Now if you have such numbers that all are zeros only, okay, we are going to avoid them. If all zeros are there, no need to worry, just avoid them. Then you add only 50 plus 6. So your answer is 56, and decimal is at the end. Okay, students? Very good. Now let us move on to the new question. Student, the new question is, Munira paid rupees 8 and 25 paise for chips and rupees 5.75 for the chocolates. She got rupees 7 as return from the shopkeeper. So how much did she pay? How much did she pay? That she got 7 back. Okay, so let us count that Munira paid for chips. See, it is a word problem, so definitely you are going to start with a statement only, right? You have to mention the statement. For chips, how much did she pay? She paid rupees 8.25. Then Munira paid for chocolates. How much did she pay? She paid rupees 5.75. See, I am writing in such a manner that it should be, the decimal should come just in a line, one below the other. Okay. Now she got 7 rupees returned back. So how much did she pay? How much did she pay? That means this is the total amount she spent. Right? So her total expenditure. What is her total cost paid? That is 5 plus 5, 10. We are going to add them, right? We'll carry 1 here. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carried, 0 here. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 5, 14. Right? So the total cost for what she had purchased chips and chocolates is total of rupees 14. Okay, so how much did she pay? She paid, that means Munira paid, right? So how we are going to write? We are going to write a concluding line. Munira paid rupees 14 to the shopkeeper. So in this manner, students, you are going to add, subtract the decimal digits. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter, how you're going to do it. The last question of your textbook is there regarding the dollars and everything which I explained you in the video, and I also gave you the PDF. You just recap that from the video. Okay students, you have to go through all the textbook exercises, all the textbook explanation I did in the videos, all the PDF which are related to your textbook, right? You have to go through each and everything, as well as the practice work sheet which I send you, that also you have to practice. Okay students, do it well, work hard, you're going to get everything from the material we had sent. Okay students, work hard, write neatly, do your all calculative work very neat and tidily. Okay students, very calmly and in a very readable and good handwriting. Students, please complete your PT2 exam with a very beautiful work done. Okay students, all the best from my side. All my good luck and good wishes are with you, and may God help you in each and every way. Okay students, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.